The most devastating avalanches in history. Avalanches, an unstoppable force of nature. They destroy everything in their path, leaving behind tragic stories. 1916, White Death, Italian Alps. During World War I, avalanches killed 10,000 soldiers in a single day. Some were even triggered intentionally. 1970, Huascaran Avalanche, Peru. An earthquake caused an avalanche that buried the town of Yungay, killing 20,000 people. Avalanches today, they still threaten mountain regions, but technology helps save lives. Stay safe in the mountains, respect nature,